Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Pinterest for beginners. So here I've already opened the Pinterest.com on my browser, and to start you can sign up if you haven't had any account for Pinterest. You can sign up first, but if you already have one, you can just click on login in here. So I've already have signed up with my Google account, so I'm going to just continue here and just wait until the Pinterest load. Okay, so you can see here in Pinterest there are lots of pictures and also videos that you can choose. Here you can find some in outfits inspirations, photo inspiration like this for your pre-wedding, for example, or just find something cute for your wallpapers, desktop or phone. And here if you want to create, you can just click on create in here. If you want to upload an image, create a pen, you can choose a picture or drag and drop it in here. Then after that you can add the title, descriptions, and after that here you can just upload it. Okay, so in home, so for example these pictures right here, if you see something interesting you can save it to your Pinterest like this, and you can also click on the three dots icon to download the image to your computer. And you can also leave a comment in here if you want to, or just leave a reaction in here just like that. And if you want to find something that isn't on your Pinterest homepage, in here you can just click on this and find something. For example, here I'm going to find some flowers, draw a static for example, and Pinterest will show you some of the options. If you like with the picture, you can just click on it and again save it to your profile. If you want to see the pictures that you already saved, you can go to your profiles in here, and here you can see this is the save options, and these are the pictures that I saved on Pinterest. Here you can also see messages. If you have friends in here, you can also create a new messages and search your friend's name in here, then send a message to them. And this is for the notifications. If there is something updates or something new on Pinterest, you can see it in here. So you can also see a video, but for video you cannot download it. So when you click on this, you can only see download image, not download a video. You can also follow someone if you like with their creation, their pen, you can just follow them in here. So that's basically all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button.